YouTube family, what's good? It's your boy Enrico the Barber, and today we are back with yet another video. So guys, in today's video, as you can see, we will be unboxing this Wahl blow dryer right here. So guys, right here in my hands, what I have is a styling series Wahl blow dryer. It isn't anything fancy, nothing off the top. So basically, what I am gonna do for you guys right now is, if you are looking for a affordable blow dryer, this would definitely be a go-to blow dryer for you up-and-coming barbers. Well, not only for you up-and-coming barbers, but for hairstylists as well. I'll definitely do a review on it, but like I said, we don't always use blow dryers in the barbershop. We just have one or two clients that usually come in and style the hair. We definitely want to get more into the styling scene, but as of now, we basically just go ahead and we use it on a few clients. I recently just moved barbershop, so it was really crazy. I want to put something dope. I really want to put something together, something really dope for you guys, just to show you guys a little bit of my journey from where I started off the barbershop to where we are right now. Nonetheless, guys, if you are new to the channel, most definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like, and most definitely leave a comment and let me know what you think about the content. Guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and let's unbox this styling series Wahl blow dryer. Straight ahead and let's unbox this blow dryer. So as you can see, it comes in nice Wahl packaging. So first things first, it comes with two adapters. This is the one, and as you can see, this is the blow dryer itself. It comes covered in some plastic. While it's made of plastic, has a solid feel to it. This is the plug, the normal 2-pin plug. You just need the one that has the round adapter, and as you can see, there's the other nozzle right there. It also comes with a manual as well as some instructions as how to take care and use the blow dryer, and that's about it. Like I said, what you get is the blow dryer and two nozzles.